I'm KZ Evangelista from BSTM 2Z. I'm going to present to you a fine dining sequence.
Mabuhay! Magandang umaga! Welcome to our Daniel's Restaurant.
Ma'am, do you have any reservations?
Yes,
May I suggest a table for you, ma'am? For how many persons, ma'am?
one only.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Smoking.
Are you comfortable with your seat, ma'am?
Yes, thanks.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm KZ Evangelista and I will be your server for today. I will make sure that your service will be taken care of. May I lay the table napkin for you, ma'am? For a while, I'll just get some water for you, ma'am. Here's your cold water, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you our menu for our selection? If you are ready, ma'am, may I take your order? Or just call me, ma'am, if you are ready for your order.
Take my order now.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? You ordered 1 lobster and 1 pineapple juice. Excuse me, ma'am. May I complete your table appointments?
Bill out, please.
Here's your bill, ma'am. Your bill is 850 pesos. Here. I received 1,000 pesos. Please wait for your change and your receipt.
Thank you.
Here's your change, ma'am. Thank you for coming. See us again.